Everyone, welcome to my channel Guri Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page linked. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow. So today's picker card reading is what blessings are coming your way this blue moon or this full moon. Okay, so we have a full moon on October 31st. So this is a very rare moon. Okay, this is a blue moon, and blue moon is something that is rare. Okay, so let's see what is coming towards you this full moon. So what blessings you coming your way. And I feel this full moon will this full moon will be in the sign of Taurus. That is the second house energy here, about your family life, about your materialistic things. That kind of energy is there with this this full moon in Taurus sign. Okay, so we have three groups over here. This is the first group, that is the black obsidian crystal, and then we have the lapis lazuli for the second group, and for the third group we have this rose quartz. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So close your eyes, relax your mind, and intuitively connect with the pile and select that pile. Okay, and the timestamps will be provided in the description box below, and this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So I'll be going with group number 1, and then in the description box below I will be providing the timestamps. You can skip and watch your reading. Okay, so I'll be going with number 1. Group 1 who chose this black obsidian. So I have pulled out your cards. Okay, we will be talking about that, and I'll be pulling from these cards also, and I'll be doing a charms also. Okay, so let's see what blessings are coming your way this blue moon. So the first card over here is look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. Okay, so I feel sometimes when we stress and think about think, we will not get an idea what is going wrong. So sometimes you need to take a break. Okay, step backwards and think about it, peacefully. Take a relax break, be relaxed, and then look what is the problem, and then you will get an understanding about it. Sometimes you need to do that. Sometimes you need to take a break. Sometimes you need to sometimes also, if you're very uncertain about something, just take a risk and move ahead also. Sometimes you need to do that also. When you do that, maybe universe will surprise you. So that might be your blessing. So they're telling you sometimes it's important to take a risk. Sometimes it's important to not stress and just go with the positive side of it. Sometimes you need to do that. Sometimes you need to take a risk. Even if you are uncertain about something, you need to take a risk and move forward. Okay, and if you're feeling very, very stressed, just take a step back and think why you started this in the first place, or something like that. If this is your scenario, you need to take a step back. And when you take a step back, look at this. The other card is like Archangel Metatron. You got 6 chakras, so you are getting the clarity about the situation. Okay, so when you step back, when you take a break, you will get the clarity about the situation, why this is happening, so what went wrong, and sometimes you will get the answer within yourself also, and you can take step forward with it, with your intuition, with your gut feeling. Go forward with it. Okay, so that is what your blessing is. I feel your blessing is that the things that were in the dark, it's coming out. Okay, so you're getting the answers to your questions, and you're seeing you're seeing why things didn't manifest first. Okay, why things went wrong. You're getting your answers, you're getting your clarity. Okay, and that is coming from within you. You're getting the answers from within yourself. I feel like that here. Okay, so that is your blessing. So you're connecting with the divine, you're connecting with your spirituality, your third eye is open, and you're getting your answers. And I feel with this 40 number 4, okay, so I feel you're going to be very, very stable. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything right now. You just have to take a step back. Okay, and connect with your intuition. And when you do that, and then there will be an understanding that you will get from within, okay, and then you can move forward with it. That is what. And when you do that, look, do to personal healing and happiness. So yes, the rainbows are coming out, right? There is peace here. So when you do that, now I feel right now in your life you're very, very stressed, you're thinking too much, okay. So I feel the main blessing here is you will be like, you will be getting the answers you need, and then you will be taking action. And when you do that, you will be very happy, you will be feeling so satisfied within yourself, energy is coming together, you will be feeling so balanced from inside, and that will be your blessing. When you feel happy from inside, that is a good thing, and that is what I'm feeling for this pile. Okay, look, yeah, so I feel you need to be here, be in the present moment, enjoy the present moment, don't over stress about the things, okay, just go with the flow. That is what your angels want you to know here, okay. Yeah, that is what. Don't think about the past. Here we have this, like, here the past, here the future, this woman is sitting in the middle. So be in the present moment. You don't have to stress about the future, because in the future there are blessings coming towards you, so you will be getting the answers. So the main blessing is you will be getting your answers, and you will be getting a way forward. I feel you will be getting the path, the path will be shown to you, okay. That is what I'm feeling here for you. That is your main blessing here. And look blessed. Wow, you are blessed with this 22 number, so your prayers will be answered, your wishes will be fulfilled, your angels are looking after you. So that is a very huge blessing here for you guys, right? So you are blessed people, you don't have to worry about anything. So when you are stressed, when you feel so stressed, just take a break and just think and reflect on it, why this didn't happen in the first place. And when you do that, when you go within yourself, you will find your answers within yourself, because angels are working with you, they are providing you the answers. You are able to see the signs, so you will be seeing signs also. And so I feel the answers are within yourself. So you need to just take a step back and connect with nature and be in the present moment. That is what your angels are telling you. Look, again we have this high priestess energy, and we have this third chakra, sixth chakra, that is third eye. So your intuition is so on point, so you need to listen to your intuition. Your angels are giving you messages, your intuition. So whenever you reflect back and think, whatever thought comes into your mind about the situation, so that is that, so I feel the positive thought that will come, okay. So that is it, okay. Yeah, look, yeah, 10 of Wands, you're feeling so exhausted, you're stressing about things, you don't know, you might have started a project and it has become a baggage, you don't know how to move forward, you're getting exhausted, so that is the thing they're saying. Just listen to your intuition, and what your intuition is saying, just go forward with it, okay. And sometimes definitely with this 10 of Wands energy, I see that you're exhausted, okay. So they're telling you to take a step back, okay. Take a step back, take some time off, take one day off and relax. And when you relax, you will get the clarity. Don't stress and don't keep on overworking and thinking about what will happen. No, don't do that. They are telling you, you're blessed, your answers are within yourself. That is the blessing that is coming you this full moon. So don't forget to write your intentions in this full moon, and just manifest and release all the things that is not serving you, okay. So that is what I'm getting for this group, for pile 1. So what is the additional message for you? Let's see from the fairies. Okay, we got this fairy guides. Look, you have this fairies energy. I told you angels are with you, so you have so much of energy where angels are looking after you. So you don't have to worry, your intuition is on point. Listen to your intuition with this, and you're going to be, you're empowered, you're very powerful people. You don't have to worry about anything, you will be successful. Wherever you are feeling blue, don't fear, the fairies are protecting you. Yeah, I told you, you're protected, okay. So you don't have to worry, you're blessed people. So that is your main blessing here, okay. So let's see what are the charms have for you. For group number 1, what are the blessings coming this blue moon for pile number 1? Okay, yeah, you need to let go. You need to let go of the situation and just take a break and think thoroughly. Your intuition will provide you with the answers. Yeah, you're stressing. You don't know what to do about it. So that is what they're saying. Okay. Yeah, stick to the plan. Just don't lose hope. Okay. You don't know if this will be like, will you be able to do the thing correct way, whatever the thing is you have started, and you're just like, you're not sure about this. So they are telling you to stick to the plan. Yes, you use your intuition here. Your intuition is on point. Yeah, this will provide you with, if your finances are also going to improve with this second house energy. I feel that is thing. Loyal people are there. With this talk, loyal friends are there. Ask their help. And I feel angels are guiding you. Yeah, your intuition is on point. I feel like that. Just take a break, play with your friends, just do something that makes you happy. Okay, so that is also I'm getting. So when you do that, you will get the answers easily, within yourself. When you are in this stressful energy, it's difficult to get the answer. So that is also I'm getting here because of this 10 of Wands energy. I feel like that. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 1. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Group 2, we choose this lapis lazuli. Let's see what is coming for you, what blessings are coming for you this blue moon. So first, you are good enough. Okay, so self-love is coming. I feel like that. And with this green color, I feel like that you need to let go of your perfectionism, right? Sometimes we get, sometimes we judge ourselves so much that our work is not good enough, and we overwork sometimes. So that is what I'm getting from this. So you're good enough. Understand that. So the blessing is that you're talented. Okay, so please believe in your talents. Okay, you're good enough. Okay, please don't judge yourself too harshly. You're worthy, you're unique, your talents, because with this full moon in Virgo, you might be that kind of people who like you want everything perfect. Just don't judge yourself for that. Sometimes imperfect things also are good. You don't have to go for perfectionism that much. Sometimes if you go for that, you will be working too hard, and that will take a toll on your health. I feel like that here. Yeah, angel of strength here. I feel like this for Pile, the main blessing is self-love. You're loving yourself. You're going to love yourself this full moon. The main blessing is you're going to be in your power. You will have that empowerment inside you. You will have that power where you will be able to go through any challenges. You will have that much inner power. I feel like that is your main blessing. Look, balance. You will be feeling very balanced because of your power that you have inside you. Okay, so the main blessing is you will be loving yourself. Okay, you will be loving yourself. Your energies will be balanced, and yeah, I feel like that. You will be like a lion. You will be having so much passion inside you, and you will be going towards it. But just don't overwork yourself, because I tend to see you judge yourself harshly. Sometimes if you're an artist, if you do a creative job, sometimes we tend to judge ourselves that we are not perfect, and then we do the work again and again, and because of that we will overwork ourselves, right? So don't do that. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. So the main blessing is you're powerful people. You're very powerful people. You have so much of inner strength. No one can break you. I feel like that. No one can break you because you're good enough. Okay, and know that you're good enough. You're worthy of all the blessings that you're receiving in your life, and I feel you are going to be very, very successful because you're so empowered people. Okay, so yeah, so sometimes because with this fork in the road, I feel like that you tend to judge your work so harshly sometimes, because you don't know whether you need to do that or do this, because of you just tend to think too much. So don't think too much. I feel like that. Just go with the flow. Imagine. I feel like for many of you, some of your manifestations are coming. Okay, yeah, you're moving into a better place with the Six of Swords energy and Ace of Wands. Some new opportunities are definitely coming. You will have this passionate energy. So the main blessing is you'll be very passionate towards the things you're doing. You know, you know where you want to go. You know, the indecision is gonna go, and you will be like, oh yes, I want to do this. So this is the idea that is coming towards me. You know, you know, when while you are meditating, you will get the creative ideas. So the your imagination is going to be very on point, and if you're in a creative field, you know that these ideas will help you a lot. So that is, you know, you're going to channel a lot of ideas, I feel like that also, and you will be feeling very balanced. So you're moving to a very good place, you know, Six of Swords energy here. So yeah, so just don't try to be very very perfect, okay? So that is what, and look after yourself, take care of yourself, okay? Sometimes you need to put yourself first also. So that is also I'm getting here. And your inner strength is you're very powerful people, I feel like that, and many opportunities are coming here. You're going into a better spot with this blue moon. You know, the blessing is that all the indecisions, you know, you might be in a fork in the road where you don't know where to go, left or right. Finally you will be taking the decision where you need to go, what you need to do. And when you move forward, when you take a decision, you will be, you know, you will be very much feeling so happy. You know, you will not be in your head, and your mental body will be like very relaxed. You'll be feeling very joyful, very happy about it. And then when your energy is balanced, you will be feeling so much at peace, and new opportunities will be coming towards you. Passion, you will be very very passionate about the things you want to do in your life, okay? So much of creative ideas, the ideas, you know, take, you know, your you know, ideas that you get while meditating or while you're playing or something. You know, sometimes when we do cooking or cleaning the house, that time so many ideas will come. So take a note on that ideas, okay? And you that, yeah, if you're writers, if you're bloggers, your imagination will be on so on point, and so that you will be able to, you know, write it nicely. So that is also I'm getting. Also, if you visualize, I feel like that you will be able to manifest that also. You're great visualizers, I feel like that. So you in the full moon you need to visualize, I feel like that, to make your dreams a reality. So that is what I'm getting for this pile. So let's see what is your extra message from the fairies for group number 2. What are the blessings? Okay, music. Okay, so while imagining, use music. You know, music will, you know, for if you are very stressed, use music. Music will help you to be balanced also, I feel. Fairies dance in the green hollow, where the music plays, joy will follow. Yes, where the music plays, joy will follow. So use music, guys, when you're stressed, okay? You will feel very happy when you use music, I feel like that. Music is important to you guys. So let's see what the blessings coming for group number 2, this blue moon. Okay, number 1, look, new beginnings with this Ace of Wands. With this Ace of Wands, new beginnings are definitely coming. New opportunities are coming your way. More spiritual growth. You're going, you know, look, with the Six of Swords, you're moving to a very very better place from the past. So that is your main blessing, and energies are coming together. We have this balance, right? Yeah, balance. Things are gonna balance. Your divine feminine, divine masculine is gonna be balanced. You're going to be in your power. As I said, you are going to be in your power. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. You have the steering wheel right now, so you can go wherever you want to go. Okay, so yeah, with this, you know, indecision is gonna go. That is main blessing. So if you were indecisive, you will take action. You know, the main blessing is you will know where you want to go. So just the only thing is to, I feel like for you is like you need to take care of yourself. And when you're feeling stressed, use music, imagination, visualization. Do visualization. That will be very beneficial for you to manifest your dreams. Okay, so that's all for group number 2. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello group 3, whoever chose this rose quartz. So let's see what blessings are coming your way this full moon, this blue moon. Okay, what are you manifesting, or what are the blessings coming towards you? So the first card over here is expect powerful change. Wow, so you're transforming. I can feel the death energy here, the Scorpio energy, the death card. where you're letting go of your past, you're shedding your skin, you're transforming into a complete new different person, you're letting go of the things that is not serving you, and you are in your power. So that is what is happening for you. Your main blessing is you're transforming completely to a completely powerful person, to a completely confident person. I feel like that is your changes, that is what I feel like. Okay, yeah, I feel you guys are like powerful manifestors also, so that is also your blessing. So I feel like that you need to manifest during these time, during the full moon, new moon. It will be very beneficial for you guys. And with this card 21, I feel 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 number is all about joy, creativity, connecting with the divine. Okay, so connecting with your angels, with your feathers. I feel your angels are around you, they're guiding you, and your direction. I feel like here with this, I feel you know where to go, your intuition knows where to go. Just take that path. Don't, you have the solutions within yourself, you have all the answers. Okay, so you don't have to rely on anyone, because you know what you need to do. Okay, so just trust your gut feeling here. I feel like that. Look, with this 22 number, a master number 22, we have 21, and then we have 22. So you're stepping up, you are stepping up. Okay guys, so yes, you are in your power, and I feel the energies are coming together. You, from within yours, I feel you will be feeling so relaxed, very joyful. You will be feeling very happy, you will be feeling in your power. You will feel like that you can control things. I feel like that sometimes. Sometimes we sometimes you feel like that. You can control things, you can control your you know control the situation, because you understand how universe works. I feel like that. I feel many of you will be very balanced, very very balanced. Your energies are balanced, and I feel if you give your 100%, you will get it back. That kind of feeling I'm getting. And for this yin and yang, the black, your good side and your bad side, so you have worked that also. I feel like that you know what you need to change in yourself. Okay, you're becoming more wiser. So there is a huge transformation happening because of the spirituality. I feel for many of you, you're in the spiritual journey, and you're changing yourself, you're transforming from inside. You know your qualities, you know your weakness, you know your good side, you know your bad side. So you're just, you're very very awoke, you're very very aware of things, and that's why the energies are aligning finally. Yeah, you're going to be very very confident in yourself. No one can make you doubt about yourself. Okay, so yeah, no one's negative vibes will affect you anymore. Sometimes in the past, you were these kind of people who will take all that negativity from other people. If someone says that dress doesn't look good on you, you will be the first one to run and just change it. Now you know what you wear, and you're confident in yourself. No one can question your confidence. No one can make what you. So that is what I'm getting. No one can change your mind. The one you can change your mind is only you. I feel like that you're that confident right now. It's not overconfidence also. It's like things. You know about yourself, how you're looking or whatever the thing is. No one can change your mind because of their jealousiness, or because they are jealous, or they are like that kind of energy will not affect you. So that is what I'm getting here. Okay. So yeah, deep knowing, you know things. You can I feel who is true to yourself, who is not true to yourself, who is just like jealous. Who you need to trust. Okay, so you're very confident. You're going to be very confident in your work also. I feel you're going to be very confident. So whatever you're doing, you're going to be very confident. So that is transforming. That is a very good, that is a huge blessing you're gonna get. I feel you're going to be very very wise people. I feel you will be able to give advice to other people. People will be coming towards you for advice, for more knowledge. They will be, when they have problems, they will be asking you for guidance. That kind of energy I'm getting here. Yeah, your building blocks. So many of you are starting something new and you're building it, so just keep on working, and yeah, with confidence. Okay, no one can stop you. The only person can stop you is you. Okay, so that is also I'm getting. Don't put any limitation, don't put a wall. Okay, just get out, just break through from it. I feel like that. Don't stop yourself. Think big for you, think big for your future. I feel like that. And when you do that, you will achieve it. That is what I'm getting. So it's, the main blessing is that your confidence, you're working on your confidence and you're building it up. Okay, no one can question your confidence. No one can make you like self doubt yourself. I feel like that. No one. That is what I'm getting here. Yeah. Three of Wands, and we have Four of Pentacles here. So with this Three of Wands, I feel you're manifesting something that you've been waiting for so long, and that is stability. I feel you maybe independence you were manifesting for so long. You might get that. You wanted to be financially independent, or you want to be you wanted to be emotionally independent, or you wanted to be like traveling somewhere independently. You want to go for solo travel, solo traveling or something like that. So if you wanted to do that, I feel that is also manifesting for you guys. Okay, I don't know if yeah, I feel traveling is coming, and you will be feeling so stable. You will get the opportunities. I feel like that. Be in your power. You're so, you be confident. That is the thing. So that is the thing that is coming for you, towards you. That is your confidence. You're building your confidence. You're meant to go higher or higher. I feel like that, because you're so wise. That is what is your blessing, and you will be very, very, very stable. Okay, so don't stop yourself. Don't stop yourself from achieving the goals you want to achieve, and just step out of your comfort zone. I feel like that. So I feel that is a blessing coming towards you. You will be stepping out of your comfort zone. This full moon will make you do that. I feel like that also. So the goals that you have been waiting for so long, I feel like that you have been waiting patiently for that. That is what you're gonna get, and that will make you so happy and stable. That is what I'm getting for this group. Okay, so let's see what is your advice. Extra message here from the fairies. Oh God, look at that. 4-leaf clovers. You have found a 4-leaf clover. Unlucky times will soon be over. So yes. So yeah. So unlucky times are gonna go now. Success. You will be so happy with yourself. Sometimes small things makes us happy, and you will be in that energy where little things, small things will make you happy, and you will be like over the top of the world. That kind of energy I'm getting. So yeah, believe in yourself. Okay. So yes, that blessing is coming. You will be believing in yourself. You will be confident about your work. No one can make you self-doubt. That is what I'm telling you. Okay, so let's see what the charms have for you for group number 3. Group number 3, what blessings are coming? Yeah, look. Group 2 also got this. Look, I was talking about the Scorpio energy, right? And we are in the Scorpio phase. Scorpio season, right? So yeah, your big transformation is happening here for you guys. To that, shedding the old, becoming the new version of yourself. That is what it's. As the major cycle is ending, a new cycle is, coming, and you're so much in your power. I feel like that. So have fun time with your friends, with yourself. Be hopeful. Don't lose hope. Love yourself. Keep moving forward. Don't stop. Everything is secured. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. Everything is secured. Look here, you're realizing your gifts also. I feel like that many people here have, I feel you have so much of gift inside you, talents, or maybe you're getting a gift also. That is one thing, but I feel you have so much of gift inside you. You're going to uncover that. I feel like that here. So let go of the negative people. I feel like that. Self-love. Fairies are protecting you, guiding you. You're guided people. Okay, they will be giving you the path. Okay, yeah, you're gonna grow, and you're gonna attract you with this peacock. You're going to be attracting so many things. That is what the law of attraction will work for you guys. Okay, So yeah, you're gonna attract the things you want to attract. You'll be attracting many people also. I feel like that. You're gonna glow. You're gonna be. Your confidence will show. You know, that is what I'm getting here. Yeah, let go away from this. You know, don't. You know. I feel who are good, who no, you can trust your intuition on that. Don't which people are good for you, who are not good for you. So just that's all. So it's coming here. Yeah, love is also coming towards you. I feel like that. Or maybe self-love. You're gonna love yourself. That is what I'm getting here. You're gonna love yourself. You're gonna love your talents. You're gonna love your craft. You're gonna love your career. You're gonna love your life. Okay, and you're gonna achieve the things you want to achieve. Okay, so it's not gonna come in like a, it's not going to be like a very quick, but definitely it will come. Okay, so you're just building it. So just keep on building it, because you will be over the top. You'll be on the top. I feel like that kind of energy. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care.